don't want to buy. I look like a dead man. Just f***ing silly. Brigitte Vlurgen, never you thought. why is my start the vlog? Man, I start it out again. Alright people, so I just done film turkey neck sandwich roll now see. I clean up you know. Like I said, the sandwich was just drippy. I'm showing all up on the ground right if I read that. Sandwich drippy bro. Vlog 143, you know should I gonna get that today. And then I'm going to be rendering this, not render. I'll be editing this vlog if you wanna get tomorrow. And I'm also making a vlog right now. So you see, I'm putting in that work, and all you have to do as a loyal and beautiful subscriber of Kevin Too Crazy is hit that like button, you know? The like button really helps, and when you drop a comment, whether if you want to laugh or you want to bawl or you just want to put a thumbs up. Comments and likes are really what drive a video on the YouTube platform. Yes, they say, oh, this amount of persons like it, hey, let's suggest it to some other individuals and see if they might like it too. And you're commenting, which means you're interacting, which means there is something in the video that they also think people will be interacting with. So that's how we get to, you know, grow the page as we should. So I just want to say, you know, you do those things, you like and you comment. That is important for YouTubers. Yes. Okay. I finish doing what I do so now and then go back to editing, and we should be going on the road because I'm gonna check mechanic. I want to go to the fridge place, and I also want to play some basketball today, bro. I really want to shoot some hoops. Reach the mechanic, you know. I'm gonna deal with some other people, so hopefully he can get some time to come chat to me and let me know where I'm going. I know my original mechanic this, but as a somebody closer, I'm gonna mention the problem to him and see if him have a solution, you know. I try to get this dealt with. I'm tired right now. Just want the problem fixed, and I'm gonna have to constantly worry if the car will shut off on me a road and all them shit, you know. And then I just start. I've been trying. So we get some like a big white smoke from around our back.
So you right by here?
You know, overheat. No, you know, overheat for me. But like whenever I try to give too much gas, the power seems like it's too much to the engine. Like I just be a smoke, white smoke from around our back.
If you got actually you get the white smoke there, I want it most on the cold.
No, when they hot. Like if I drive a good while and then me try to put pressure on it, they do that. My mechanic from town, when they come down here and they pull off and clean out the thing there inside the engine. And then after I do that now, I did a run like normal, and then it happen again.
Oh, okay. So like you got to change different things. When I got time,
I'm gonna try to figure that out, and then the shit just happened again. Just happened again. And the mechanic just say, yo, check and see like at what point it happened. I try to get some power to go across the road, and the freaking car do the whole smoking thing. That's that.
cut power like that. O2 sensor. Circuit low voltage bank one, sensor one.
Not only am I without a car, I'm also walking in the rain. How much more sad can life get? This is some bullshit, man. Yo. Now imagine, I have to do business. So I say, alright, I'm going to start out that. And as I'm this close, might as well just come at the mechanic and come here him and say, get a second opinion on what it is. Him say, oh, make him know when it smoke again. I drive out to a mechanic, smoke. So I have to turn around back and go tell him. I'm say, alright, he must scan it. But he must drive it. When him jump in, I have to drive it. Spin round. Car just lose power. No power. When him scan it, it say some shit. So now I try wait for get towed. For either, come off of this and go somewhere more safe. Even though I'm there a good distance in on the soft shoulder, but people are idiot. And then we still run up in your car doing nonsense. So now I wait for the brother where him say I got tow me. Come tow me. I link up my mechanic. Man the way I town. So I have to either come down here so now this a vehicle. I don't want it to buy. Can look like that, I have to go do. Just f***ing sell it. Well, I get to move off of the roadside when I did there, and was towed to a safer place. Mechanic now will get to reach me until tomorrow, so the next best option, I could just leave the car here, but I'm not do that, Just call the insurance people and make them know, say, oh, I'm gonna need a wrecker service so I can get home, All these things you pay for, so you might as well just make use of it, regardless of how much they choose to cover when they're covering whatever they're covering. You pay for it, so make use of it, you know what I mean? Some days I wait upon the people them to call me back and find out where I'm at and the record service what I'm gonna send so I can get home. Just one of those days. Just one of those days. You don't know, brother, sometimes I feel like Jamaica not really, like I don't want there no more sometimes. I swear. Just too much fuckery, man. I don't want to get me wrong. And just this alone make me feel like if you just disappear from the country. There's some whole heap of other little things. But true me, someone would even really tell people my problem them, you see me? Because I feel like if me I go tell them my problem, maybe because you have the solution. Or you got offer a solution. And for the most part, the people that I express myself to, they must say, oh, it's prayer and all them things. But like I said, bro, if you can only pray so much, you feel like you're in a dark hole, you see me? And you try your best to come out and you hold it together and you not lose your liquor to sense and them sitting there. And I just bear foolishness after foolishness. You try to make progress and I just fuckery after fuckery. But I am still here, keeping it together. And maybe one day me tell people my problems. But for now, I'm just there. The people them just call back as a matter of fact. Say I find out the price of the wrecker. And see my mechanic call me. Hold on. But as me that said, the people that are insurance company, them call me and say them call the mechanic, the wrecker company. Call me back and let me know the price. So that's what I'm waiting on. Guys, hey boy. When things get rough, what can you do, man? You have to just laugh it off and, no, say I just, so life go, you see me? The mechanic gave me a little drive, you see me? So, now I'm back into the race of trying to get a taxi to get home. This is the type of shit, man. I am walking home, people, in the rain. For the whole time for the taxi ride, I do a smile. Because I'm like, oh, this is a situation where, I would be upset on a regular, But I saw this video, and I think it was with Kobe saying, with all things in our life, good, bad, all of them things there, just go with the experience. Just go with whatever emotions, just go with it, you know what I mean? Work with it. Don't try to fight against it or all of that, just go with it. Have the experience. So that's what I'm just having the experience, man. And it was quite the experience in a taxi ride. You know, I take a taxi in quite a long time. So you know, you have the somebody in there with their foot a cramp up. And then you know, you have a fat lady, of course. You know, and the whole experience even start from trying to get a taxi. We have to, you know, you have to look out to your eye them, and if something come, you run go jump in it. It start from this one, and then you know, of course the taxi man have to talk some conspiracy thing. What involved is either America and China, and that's the bastard they talk about, you know. So you might do some studying and all that, and it's an experience. It's an experience, bro. Things like this make you, it gives you stories to tell, and it make living a bit more exciting. As challenging and as rough as it may be, you know, it's something that you can look back at and you can share your experience with people. So I'm embracing it. I'm just walking home now. I think I could have taken a taxi, but I say, oh, you know what? I'll just walk. I'll just walk home. So that'll be maybe the next half hour, 20 minutes before we reach home. But I'm going with the experience. So let me see when time I reach in, or if I have anything else to say. 20 minutes later, or maybe like 17. I am home safe, and I will end the vlog here. This was quite an experience, the entire day, and I'm glad I was able to share it with you, and you have it with me. Me soon in our next vlog. Alright, look at more.